Welcome to Lakesentrance. Hi, I'm Joseph.
My name is Peter.
And we are here with
Antonio
and Bernadette.
We're here for the next 4 days in Lakesentrance, exploring this fishing village and the surrounding area.
And we've currently got in front of us a bloody person who's backing in their boat.
and the sticker on his boat says, "Ain't caught shit."
So, you know, you just leave Melbourne, peak hour traffic, to get stuck in a car park in Lakesentrance.
Anyway, stick around and we'll show you some of the sights in the area.
Straight as a narrow flies, nowhere to be, no dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it
We are at the Stonycreektrestlebridge, built in 1916. when the existing rail line from Melbourne to Bairnsdale was extended to Orbost. It was 97 kilometre extension, and through rugged terrain was reputed to have been the most difficult rail project undertaken in Victoria.
So let's have a look at it.
The bridge remained in service for 60 years up until a bushfire damaged it in 1980. The last train crossed the bridge in 1988. 247 metres long and 20 metres high, the bridge is the largest standing bridge of its kind in the state. Built of red ironbark and grey box timber, it is a fine example of early engineering skills that made do with the resources and materials found on the site. Amazing.
No dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right. You and I, heads up in the clouds. We caught out with the birds flying south. Nothing to see as the day turns into night. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right. We got time to waste, let's waste it right.
Good morning! We are off to Painesville this morning to catch the ferry to Raymond Island, where we're going to go on some, they call it Ride the Koalas, which are actual bikes for 4 people or more, and you drive around the island and search for koalas. Yeah, wish us luck and see if we can find some for you.
And we're being driven today by Anthony, the driver, and his wife. He's in the passenger seat, Bernadette.
Hang on, they can say hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Bernadetta.
Antonio.
Thanks, ViCTORiA.
Raymond Island. Koalas were actually introduced onto the island to protect them.
They brought them here in 1953.
We've come to the end of our weekend away at Lakesentrance and the surrounds, and we hope you've enjoyed coming along with us. Some pretty nice highlights, like especially the Trestle Bridge, some fun on the beach with the Averys and Antonio Pulvirenti, and of course with Peter.
Assistant photographer. It was a pretty good time away. Got to see some nice scenes, but the weather's turned on us and it's time to go home. So thank you for joining us. Over and out from me.
See you on our next adventures.
Bye.